Hey, brokers, managers, admin, trainers, any of the above. I just wanted to let you know, did you know it is really cool in kvCORE on a brokerage level, company level, you can create holiday emails, monthly newsletters, and your agents will have access to them inside of their templates. How do you even go about doing that? Easy. Go over to marketing, go over to smart campaigns, and you can set up your own templates. So as you can see here, if I do holiday and I do a search, you're going to see that I had added a template right here. You can add email, text, task, all that kind of fun stuff. Get creative. But if I come over here, you're going to see I have Easter, Father's Day, Halloween. kvCORE does have some holiday emails. You can see here like Halloween 1, 2, 3, anything like that. They have Canada Day. They don't, and they have a lot of holidays and stuff. They don't have everything, but I do. I add my own because you can see here it gets a little cluttered, but so we add our own and it's super easy. So if I come over here and go to edit, I can edit any of these, and you can see this is all for the agents have these all in their dashboard. It's going to be custom to the office. The agents can add, edit, they can go over here, promote one of their listings using that dynamic content or graphic or anything like that. I would encourage them to add a button, but as it is, at least there's something there. All they have to do is literally once you have them set up, same thing with the newsletter. I'm going to pull up newsletter just so you can see what I have so far. October. So I can come over here. This is where I go and I edit. I always have two. I have the current month and it may be a past month. That's when I'm going to edit and make it to the upcoming month. So that way there's always two in there. So I don't have to edit that if they're going to be sending those later. But really, I just kind of add some basic information. We have a header. They can edit, update, create their own, whatever it may be, but at least it's going to give them something they can send with local news, local events, as well as, the market snapshot, all of that. So obviously Remax Elite over by the Space Coast. So launches, big deal. Boo at the Zoo, anything I can find like in October. We already have a link that goes to the other big events. And then I'm going to add in the most recent market snapshot. I do a video with all that data as well that goes on our YouTube. Just a blog information. These pretty much come from like Keeping Current Matters, but we add our own graphic to it. And then we have like do it yourself, home maintenance, real estate tips of the week. So I just grab one of those. It's super easy. At least it's a starting point. They can edit, they can add whatever else they want, but it's a starting point with local information. How easy is it for an agent to go ahead and use that? Super easy. They go to marketing. They're going to go schedule a mass email. So they can go schedule. I have them send it to everybody. So you're going to add those. I think there's 7 choices for statuses. They're going to come over here to template so they can do a search for newsletter. And here's like the October. It's going to pull everything up. And now they can completely edit it, leave it as it is. They're going to come down at the bottom. They are going to include their agent signature. So hopefully they have that completely set up in their profile settings. They can literally copy and paste from their current email if they're using a Y stamp, anything like that. It'll bring over all that fun stuff. So make sure they have the settings, their signature set up, include that agent signature that way. And then all they have to do is come all the way up here. When do they want to send it? It's good to go. So that is awesome on a company level. You can add holiday emails, monthly newsletters. That is really going to help them be able to, let's stop the screen share. Maybe. It's really going to help them find getting into the system. If you're providing value, information, tools that you can preset up for them, whether you have an admin, something like that. Once you have that template set up or the emails in there, I've got emails if you want them, I can send them over. But it's super nice. It's going to be a great tool for your agents. So the agents that are sending out monthly newsletters and having to come up with that, It's super nice if everything is already in here. They're going to go in to their dashboard to send those emails, maybe adding in their listings, but you've already kind of done the heavy lifting for them. But it's really going to help the agents utilize and get into the system and start playing with it. And it's adding huge value. So think about adding holiday emails, monthly newsletters. And of course, if you have any questions, put the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. Chat soon. Bye, guys.